Hey guys, it's Craz-E Coupons. Welcome back to my channel and happy Sunday, everybody. You guys know what that means. We have a ton of new Dollar General digital coupons to clip to our accounts. And this morning we have a run glitch deal. So before we get started, if you haven't already subscribed, I don't know what you're waiting on. Go ahead and hit that subscribe button. It's right down below this video. And while you're at it, do your girl a huge favor. Hit that thumbs up button and leave me a smile down in the comment section below, because those are two quick, easy, and free ways that y'all can help support this channel. And then take a second to share the video. Alright guys, so first up, for anyone who is new to couponing at Dollar General, please keep in mind that digital coupons are one-time use only per account. Any glitches that are going on can end at any time because they are simply just that. They are a glitch in the system. So it is very important when you're in the store to scan each and every item with your Dollar General app to make sure that the digital coupon does attach. And also you want to scan each item to price check because prices can vary from store to store. Now, really quickly, before we get into this run glitch deal, I did take some pictures yesterday of all of the different hauls and glitches that we had last week. So I just wanted to share those with you really quick. Last week was absolutely on fire, and fingers crossed, hopefully this week we will have just as many amazing run glitch deals. So y'all make sure that you have those notifications turned on. Now also, here is my $5 off $25 scenario from yesterday. I ended up paying $266 plus tax out of pocket for all 11 items. Now please make sure that y'all stay tuned until the end, because I do have a few little tips to share with you all. And also just a quick friendly reminder that I have already uploaded the new clearance markdown and penny list video for you all. This is going to start on Tuesday, August the 22nd. So that video will be linked for you in the pinned comment down below. All right, now let's go ahead and talk about this glitch deal. So this morning we received this digital coupon right here. It does expire on August the 26th. But it has some weird wording. So it says save $6.47 when you purchase one Tide Pods 32 to 43 count, and then you're going to get one Downy Rinse Aid 48 ounce, and then it says 50 cents off. So obviously somebody in the digital coupons department got a little bit confused whenever they were typing up this coupon, but it does say that you must buy both items. So we're supposed to purchase the Tide Pods 32 to 43 count and the Downy Rinse Aid 48 ounce, and then we are going to get $6.47 off. Now, that really doesn't sound like a great deal to me because both of those products are really expensive, but luckily for us, this coupon is glitching. Now, before we talk about the details of what all this coupon is glitching and working with, I do want to mention that these are P&G brand products. And typically, when we have P&G brand coupons that are glitching and working on products that they're not supposed to be working on, typically, the majority of the time, those coupons will continue glitching until their expiration date. So on those glitch deals that we get pretty regularly, such as the Bounty, the Charmin, the Crest, the Oral-B, all those typically will last and they will not fix those in the system, and then those coupons will just eventually expire, but those glitches never get fixed. But then we also have coupons like this right here that pop up. These are P&G brand products. This is a P&G glitch. However, I do feel like this is going to be one that they're probably going to fix in their system pretty quickly once they realize what's going on. And I know that we have a lot of new crazy couponers out there who are beginner couponers, so I just wanted to throw out that little tip and trick. And I know that all of my OG couponers probably already know and they see the patterns, especially when couponing at Dollar General. And that's also why some of the glitches I consider run glitch deals, and other glitches such as the Crest and Oral-B I do not consider run glitch deals, because typically those Crest and Oral-B glitches will stick around all month long. All right, now let's go ahead and jump into the details of this glitch, and y'all make sure that you stay tuned until the end because I have one more tip to share with you all. So here we have the Tide Pods 43 count. These are priced at $16.95. This coupon is glitching. If you want to pick up two, that's going to put you at $33.90. The coupon is taking off $6.47, so that's going to leave you paying $27.43 for two. Now, I know what y'all are thinking right now. Craz-E Coupons, I know you did not just have me get my shoes, my purse, and my phone ready to go video for a $27 out-of-pocket deal. And no, I did not. I just wanted to go ahead and show you all of the products that this is working on. So next up, we have the Downy Rinse and Refresh 48 ounce. These are priced at $12.95. If you wanted to pick up 2 of these, it is taking off the full $6.47. So after the coupons, you're going to pay $19.43. Now, if you do want to pick up these larger products, I would just take my chances and hold off until Saturday. That way you could pair these deals up with a $5 of $25 scenario and come out a little bit cheaper. Now, here's what I consider the run glitch deal. So we have 3 products that we need to talk about. We have the small Tide liquid laundry detergent original scent 37 fluid ounce bottles. This is a 25 load bottle, regular price $6. We also have the Tide Ultra liquid laundry detergent 24 load 37 ounce bottles, and then we also have the Tide Plus Downy April Fresh Scent 24 load 37 fluid ounce bottles, regular price $6 each. Now, if you want to pick up 2 of those, this coupon is glitching and it is taking off the full $6.47. So after the coupon, you're going to pay $5.53 for 2. Now, I think this is a fantastic deal considering we normally do not have great deals on Tide laundry detergent at Dollar General. So $5.53 for 2. So it's basically a buy one get one free deal. And like I said, I do think that Dollar General will probably fix this in their system once they realize what is going on. Fingers crossed that this deal does stick around until Saturday, but I'm not going to hold my breath on it. So run out, grab this deal if you want to pick up some Tide liquid laundry detergent. But before you all run out to do this deal, I do have a couple more things that I wanted to mention. So first up, I have been receiving a few different comments about glitches not working. So typically when people go to look for glitches, they click on the coupon, they go underneath to see what all products that coupon is working with. But just because you don't see a product underneath that coupon doesn't mean that there aren't products out there that are also working with that coupon. So on some glitches, such as the Crest and the Oral-B coupons, so if you click on those coupons, you're not going to see the Crest Pro Health toothpaste show up underneath those. But if you go into the store, you pick up the Pro Health, you scan it, you'll see that both of those coupons are still working with the Crest Pro Health toothpaste. So like I always say, scan, 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 because usually with all of our digital coupons, there are many more products that will work with those coupons that do not show up for us in the app. Now, the second thing that I wanted to mention is that I am on Instagram. Now, I have been on Instagram for a while now, but I have been a lot more active over there over the last month. So I just wanted to remind everybody that I am on Instagram. So if you are on Instagram as well, make sure that you're following me over there. The QR code is on your screen. I'm also going to have the link for you in the pinned comment down below. And that is going to be it for me for now. I hope y'all enjoyed this video. And before you go, don't forget to do all the things. Subscribe, turn on those notifications. That way you don't miss out on any awesome deals. And while you're at it, do your girl a huge favor. It'll only take a second. Hit that thumbs up button and leave me a smile down in the comment section below. Alright guys, thank you all so much for watching. I hope y'all have a wonderful day and I will see you on the next one.